Hello and welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for June 2025. I invite you to take a few moments to get comfortable and still, to let go into the sacredness of this time that we share in prayer and meditation. For at every moment, prayers from across the globe are held in the Silent Unity prayer ministry. We are deeply connected with all who reach out in faith and those who join us in shared intention. In this time of prayer, we are united in spirit, affirming the boundless power of the divine working in and through each of us and all those whom we hold in prayer. Together we honor our oneness with God, trusting in the infinite love and guidance surrounding and uplifting us all. We affirm, my soul rests in the calm assurance that all is well within and around me. I am immersed in divine peace, radiating calm and strength. This peace is unshakable, flowing through every part of my being. No external circumstance can disturb the stillness within me. With each breath, peace fills my mind, beats within my heart, and surrounds me. I embody peace now and always. With each breath, I welcome renewal and wholeness. Healing flows effortlessly through me as I embrace the divine life within. I witness the incredible power of renewal in my body, mind, and spirit. With faith, I honor the natural ability to restore balance and overcome every challenge. In prayer, I am refreshed and made whole. Restorative energy fills me, bringing renewal to my mind and body. In this sacred moment, I let go of any thought that does not serve my highest good. I open myself to the life-giving energy that flows through me, restoring and renewing every part of my being. I align with the source of vitality, knowing that wholeness is my natural state. Resting in this truth, I am filled with peace, strength, and well-being. God is my source. I give with joy, and abundance flows back to me. The Spirit of God, present in all, is the source of my abundant life. When scarcity clouds my thoughts, I rise by giving freely, anchored in gratitude. I appreciate the good that flows through giving and receiving, knowing that divine abundance is ever present in my life. My thoughts, words, and actions actively nurture a space filled with peace, love, and harmony. I hold the world and all beings in the radiant light of peace and love. Mindful of my thoughts, I choose compassion. Careful with my words, I offer encouragement. Intentional with my actions, I express kindness. In this moment of prayer, I am one with peace and love. Strengthened through prayer, we affirm our spiritual purpose to be the light of the world. We commit to illuminating each moment ahead with love, life, wisdom, and peace. As we move forward, let us unite our hearts and voices by reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for sharing today in this time of prayer.